Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to buy or swap the Mizar token on Uniswap. Navigate to the Uniswap webpage and locate the Launch App button positioned at the upper right corner. This action will direct you to the dashboard. To begin, if you don't have a wallet, you can easily create one. On the Arbitrum network, you have the option of utilizing tools like MetaMask or alternative service providers. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will make use of the integrated MetaMask functionality. Click on the small icon and connect by entering your password. Next, proceed to select an account, followed by clicking on the Add New Account option. Assign a name to this newly added account. I'll go with Mizar Test. By selecting Create, MetaMask will generate a new wallet on your behalf. At this point, you have the choice to select a network. Ensure that you are on the Arbitrum One network, as this is where the Mizar token resides. Now return to the Uniswap application. I am currently still connected to my previous wallet. Thus, navigate to MetaMask again and choose the recently created wallet and connect. As you can observe, the balance is 0 because the wallet is new. Within this context, you can choose any quote asset you prefer. In my case, I'll opt for ETH. Now you have the base asset available. Given that the Mizar token is relatively new, it requires manual importation. Simply access the Select Token function and copy-paste the Mizar contract address, which you can find on our website and blog. Click to confirm, and now the token is accessible. Subsequently, you can choose the amount you wish to purchase. Let's say I want to acquire 100,000 Mizar tokens. At this point, you can see the equivalent value in either dollars or Ethereum that you need to hold in your wallet. Since the wallet was newly created, it holds a balance of 0. You need to transfer some Ethereum to this wallet address. You can do this by sending Ethereum from a platform like Binance or any other service provider. Once the Ethereum is sent, return to Uniswap. For the purpose of this example, I will select another wallet that I already possess to demonstrate the process of purchasing Mizar tokens. I will choose the wallet named MM3, which already contains some ETH tokens. As a result, you will observe the balance updating accordingly. Now you can initiate the purchase of 100,000 Mizar tokens by clicking on the Swap button. This action will trigger 2 confirmation steps. It's essential to confirm the swap transaction on both the Uniswap platform and MetaMask. The transaction will now process. And there you have it. You've successfully exchanged ETH for Mizar tokens. That concludes our tutorial on swapping Mizar on Uniswap. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy and safe trading with Mizar.